Love, love, love this. Up here I tried something, but it seems just very, I don't know, not feeling this one. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm filming this on my new camera with my new lens, and wow, like on my other cameras and other lens setup, this would not be as clear as it is now, which is really, really cool. But I wanted to make this whole video about that time Fizz Fairy reached out to me and wanted to collaborate with me on creating a custom blend of glitters. I've been kind of teasing this project for the past couple of days, but I wanted to show you how I came up with these glitters and the whole process of me coming up with these different glitter combinations. So recently, Fizz Fairy reached out to me with this cool idea about creating a custom blend of glitters, and I was completely down with it right from the get-go because I have been working with Fizz Fairy for some time now. I've been buying their glitters and their bath bomb dyes and their various products for the past 3 years. So this is a company I definitely wanted to work with right away. And once I agreed to this glitter project, they sent over some samples, and it was through these samples that I was able to make my blend of glitters, and I came up with 5 of them. And the whole process of how I chose these glitters, I will insert that footage right now. I'm working on this project right now in collaboration with Fizz Fairy that I'm so excited about. They wanted to collaborate with me on some glitters, and they sent me some samples of glitters, and I'm gonna try to come up with some unique combinations that speak to me and my brand. So I thought I would do that on camera. And I just love everything about Fizz Fairy because they're really the reason why my business got off the ground. It's their dyes that give my bath bombs the gorgeous bright colors that they have, and their glitters have just really, for my brand and my business, elevated my brand and business to the next level. So when they contacted me about making my own glitters, I was just over the moon excited, and I immediately said yes. So here are the samples that they sent, and I'm gonna come up with some combinations, and they sent quite a few samples, so super excited. As you can see, there are so many different colors, and right away I'm instantly drawn to these pale pinks and this gorgeous green blue color. Oh my god, look at that. And my creative juices are just running wild right now, so I'm gonna just start pairing things together that I feel would go really good together, and yeah, just go from there. Oh my god, this purple. And I'll show you what I come up with in just a bit. So these are the groups that I came up with, and I kind of wanted to mix a few colors that I think would be very interesting together, but isn't very common. Like for here, I really like this dusty pink, and this dark green, black green color really, really intrigued me, and is intriguing Gibson as well. But I also liked pairing more traditional things together, like these dark blues with these highlights, and I wanted a mix of both, you know, darker colors with lighter colors. So now the only thing that I have to do is to mix these guys and see what kind of combination they look all together. Because in a group they look great actually combined for a glitter combination that's going to be totally different. So I'll show you what I come up with when I start to mix and match them. I'm really curious about this combo right here. So that's the first group I'm going to mix together to see how it looks all together. So I'm using these little spoons. They don't really have actual measurements on there. They're cute names like Nip, Smidgen, Pinch, and Dash. And I'm just gonna mainly use the Nip version to keep it as controlled as possible. And you might see Gibson underneath the table being a rowdy puppy, but that's okay. Some of this dusty pink color, I'm just gonna put that over here. Oh, it's such a gorgeous pink color. Wow, love that. I'm gonna mix that with a bit of this dark green black color. combine those, see what those look like together. Oh, cool. That's exactly what I thought it would look like. So the dark green really deepens that dusty pink color. Show you guys what that looks like so far. So that is what we have so far. It's a really interesting pink dark color. And we're gonna add some chunky bits to this. So I've mixed the dusty pink glitter with a little bit of the dark emerald green. And now I'm going to add a little bit of the chunky glitter on top. Because I've noticed with Fizz Fairy glitters, the main body of them are the smaller, the finer glitters, and then there's just a little bit of the chunkier glitters that you don't need too much of the chunky stuff. And I just added some of that aquamarine diamond shape to it, and that looks really, really nice. And I think I want to add a little bit of this hexagon shape as well, so that it's that mix of green and pink that you wouldn't expect but complement each other at the same time. And I'll show you what that combo looks like in a bit. So there you go, you have that light dusty pink color with a little of that dark emerald green, which gives it so much depth, and then a mix of that chunky green with dusty pink together to bring out the tones of the green. I think that looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So let me mix a few more combinations together and show you what I've come up with. For this next combo, I'm gonna combine this hollow silver, which I've been using holographic glitter in my products, and I'm loving that effect. So I thought it'd be really good to have a to have a glitter combo with that has that hollow in it. And I thought it'd be interesting to add a little bit of red. I don't know why, but just like that, thought of that intrigues me, to kind of deepen that hollow. It's like a barely perceptible amount of red. And the effect that that gives this silver, this holographic glitter, is really nice. It's just a little touch of it. I like that so far. And I'm going to add a few chunks. I really like this blush pink chunky glitter. Just a nice touch of it. Oh, I love that. I love that. And then some purple, violet bio glitter, hexagon shape. You gotta be so careful with glitter, it just gets everywhere. So I'm just being very light-handed with it because I don't want it to just fly off everywhere. Oh, that's so soft and pretty. I really, really like that a lot. I think to finish it, to give it a little bit more punch, because right now it's really muted, I want to add a little bit of this dark rose chunky glitter to kind of finish it. Oh, and that's nice. So that is really pretty right there too. I love that. All right, I'll give you a bit of a close-up as to what that combination looks like all together. So that is that holographic combo. I did this one too, this galactic blue. And then there again is my first combination. All right, let's just keep going. And now for the next combo, I really wanted to use this Peacock Glitter. And it's not that there's a bunch of different colors in this bag. It's just all the same color, just it looks different depending on how the light hits it, which is, oh my gosh, amazing. And I wanted to use that as the chunky glitter with the base of these two mixed together. Just seeing what that looks like all combined. I'm probably gonna love it. I've been loving everything so far. I'm just a glitter nut, let's be real. So here's this beautiful purple. I am loving purple glitters lately, especially with Halloween season. And I'm gonna deepen that just a little bit with this black glitter to give it a little bit of depth. I like to add a few dimensions to my glitters. Imagine if I sneezed right now. I would just fly everywhere. Now the next part, I'm gonna be adding the Peacock chunky glitter on top. So I added some of that Peacock Glitter on top to lighten it, but I think to add a little bit more lightness, I'm gonna add this chunky silver to give it a little bit more lightness. And this combination is really cool. I really like it as well. I'll show you guys what that looks like close up in just a bit. So there is that purple green combo with a little bit of black underneath, and that just looks to die for. Wow, love that. So for my next combo, I knew I really wanted a gold glitter, a gold based glitter. So I was excited when they sent some of this bright yellow gold, because I don't have anything right now with gold. So this is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Hold on. There you go. It's really excited for them to send this beautiful gold. And to this gold, I wanted to add some pink to that. You might hear a little bit of rumbling from Gibson knocking things over. Please excuse that. So this really light pink eco glitter amongst that. Oh wow, I think that looks great. And then to add a little bit more depth, I really like this copper rose diamond combination to just give it a little bit of depth. And oh my goodness, I love that. Gorgeous. So I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. So that is what that combination looks like. Really, really love that. So these are the combinations I came up with, and I absolutely love these 5. This dusty pink with aquamarine, this gorgeous gold with baby pink, this really deep cosmic purple with peacock green and blue on top, and this really fun combination of silver with some deeper touches of magenta and some purple with baby pink on top, and then this really gorgeous celestial combination of royal deep blue with some really light teal sparkles with some moon cutouts. And I really just love this. Up here I tried something, but it seems just very, I don't know, not feeling this one. I'm not drawn to red glitters, or really red so much in my line, but anything purple, blue, gold, pink, this totally speaks to me. And now that I've created these, I need to start to think about some names and then some products that will go with these guys. And I already have a lot of ideas in my head right now, and I'm super excited to have this project all come together. I'm just really excited. Can't wait to show you guys what I come up with. So that is it. That is how I came up with those beautiful glitter combinations. I'm so proud of them, and I'm really excited to show you guys what they look like packaged. And Fizz Fairy did come up with the labels, but I came up with the label names, and I'm so excited for you guys to see what they look like on bath bombs, on sugar scrubs, on different types of products. And that is all going to be shown to you throughout the month of October, so stay tuned for that. And all of the recipes that I come up with for those products, I will be putting on my Patreon. Speaking of my Patreon, that is linked down in my description box below. And on there, not only do I have recipes, but I also talk about things that I don't talk about here on YouTube and on my Instagram. So check it out. There's a link down below if you want to do that. And speaking of my Patreon, thank you to everyone who has already chosen to support me on there. You guys are absolutely amazing, especially these guys, my Bubble BFFs. They are business owners themselves, and I've linked a few of their descriptions down in my description box below. So thank you so much to Fizz Fairy for this amazing, awesome collaboration. I'm so excited about it and so proud of what we came up with. And as for the launch date, that is going to be revealed. We're thinking nearer to the end of October, so keep an eye out for that. And until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, keep making beautiful, glittery, wonderful things, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!